For a lot of homes and business owners, it starts with the same frustration. Pet stains that keep coming back, odors that really don't go away, allergies that don't improve, employees that keep getting sick, surface and spaces that just don't feel clean, no matter how many times they're treated. And after a while, people aren't just frustrated with the problem. They're tired of guessing who they can trust.
A lot of people think cleaning is just about how things look. But what you can't see, allergens, bacteria, trapped odors, that's usually where the real issue lives. When those things aren't explained clearly, homeowners end up using quick fixes. And a few weeks later, the same problem shows up all over again.
At Stanley Steemer, everything starts with understanding the problem, not rushing to a solution. Before we clean anything, we take the time to inspect the space, explain what we're seeing, and walk the homeowner through what's actually going on beneath the surface. That way, we're not just guessing, and neither are they. If it's not something that I would do in my own home or a place of business, I won't recommend it, because real results come from fixing the problem the right way.
This company has always been about care. Care for the people we serve and care for the spaces we're invited into. Our technicians do not rush jobs. They explain what they're doing before they start. They respect furniture, pets, and routines, and they treat every home or business like it's personal, because it is. That level of care isn't optional here. It's the standard we hold ourselves to every day.
Here in Sarasota, we deal with a lot of residential cleanings, tile, furniture, carpets, those kind of things. In the last few years, we've had quite a few hurricanes, and we've dealt with a lot of restoration work and cleanup after those storms. The experience of having steamer out is we get there, and we get there as quickly as humanly possible, and we get things cleaned up and extracted to where, when we arrive, their home may have had a foot of water in it. It may have sand all the way through after a storm like that. When we leave, things are at least cleaned up and they can be in the house. Well, I think one of the things that people are surprised by about Stanley Steemer is to find out that we're really expanding in the air duct cleaning industry, which is an indoor air quality issue that people are becoming more and more aware of. Your ducts, mostly a lot of houses 10, 15, 25 years old, people have never considered cleaning those up, and they'd be surprised what's hanging out in those ducts and ventilation system. It's good to have it cleaned out.
This is the moment when a home and a business really feels different. Not just cleaner floors or fresher air, but the confidence that comes from knowing the problem was actually addressed. Not just covering it up, no guessing, no surprises, just clear answers and work done the right way.
If you're looking for honest answers and a team that truly cares for your home, we're here to help.